Assalamualaikum, welcome to my audience. Hello everybody. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ridho Rifai. I'm student of 12 Welding Engineering at Vocational High School 6 Bandung. Introduce my topic. The topic of my presentation is a report on the job training at PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. Today, I like to talk about reporting on the job training PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. Overview explaining the structure of my presentation. Today, I like to talk about reporting on the job training at PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. And my performance is welding on tower CO2 welding machine. I've divided my presentation into your main parts. First off, I talk about background on the report. Chapter 1: Introduction. Background of the report. Graduate vocational school must have industrial skill. One of the way how to prepare it is on the job training program. On the job training contains education and training in collaboration with industrial sector. So, student will have skill in industrial real life. As Vocational High School 6 Bandung partner with many companies. One of them is PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. PT Duta Solusi Metalindo is a company in the field of welding tower, cabinet, and others. A company that is trusted by many customers in the cabinet welding field. Learning how companies prepare their products will be useful for students. Chapter 2 is review of related literature. Number 1. Welding circuit. Welding is one of metal joining techniques by vertically melting the parent metal and filter metal with or without additional metal and products a continuous connection. Number 2. Type electronic circuits. Number 1 is TIG or gas tungsten arc welding, whether GTAW. Number 2 is flux cored or arc welding, whether VCAW. Number 3, stick or sealed metal arc welding, whether SMAW. Number 4, MIG or gas metal arc welding. Chapter 3 on the job training process. Number 1, the history of PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. PT Duta Solusi Metalindo is one of the national private companies that was established to answer the needs of the procurement of goods and services, especially in the fields of information technology and telecommunication, and retired according to notarial deed no number 12 that June 6, 2018. Number 2 is the facilities of PT Duta Solusi Metalindo. PT Duta Solusi Metalindo has many facilities including an engineering office, a superior office at Jalan Gede Bage. PT Duta Solusi Metalindo also has 10 assembly machine. The company has 1 car and 2 trucks to transport products. Number 3 is on the job training process. The training job. Number 1, I did welding to the tower and cabinet. Number 2, I did the rice ATM cabinet assembly. Number 3, I did the grading of the tower welding results. And I to show my pictures on the job. These pictures my job is welding tower, is assembling of ATM rice ATM. Number 4, my tools is a CO2 welding machine. Number 5, materials. My material is iron and CO2 welding wire. Number 6, job procedure. My job procedure was number 1. First of all, before doing works, is to pray to given safety and be carried out in a work. Number 2, check all the tools that will be used. Number 3, before doing welding, the owner always check the work area to be safe from flammable materials or anything that poses a risk of work accidents. Number 4, when it feels safe, then prepare a welding machine and start welding. Number 5, take the work material that has been preset or former according to the work kit design. Number 6, after welding the object is then smoothed or finished. Number 5, after welding and finished, then the loser was painted chromed. I saw my job result. My job result on tower is have 2 chromed. And my number 7, my job safety is number 1, welding glove. Number 2 is apron, welding helmet, safety shoes, welding mask, safety glasses. Chapter 4 is conclusion and suggestion. Number 1, conclusion. The conclusion of this on-the-job training report is the knowledge of the school very useful because welding requires the right knowledge and technique. Welding on the workplace directly is very risky. Weather, power, and cabinet. How to assemble a raised ATM cabinet is very risky. There are many ways to weld, but each person has his or her own technique in welding in general, but requires precision, work safety to produce in work. Number 2, suggestion. Suggestion for school is we must use job safety when practicing in the workshop, so it will be the student habit. Thank you. Closing. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for listening. Many thanks for your attention. If there are many questions, I'll be pleased to answer them if anyone has any question. Thank you.